What's up, fellas? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly link your Twitch account to chess.com. Now, you want to go ahead and log into your chess account as the first thing, and then from here, click the gear on the lower left hand side. This is the settings gear, and so you want to click on that and then go to all settings. Under the all settings section, scroll down towards the lower left or the middle section here, and you will find account. You click on that. There's going to be a section once you scroll on called connected accounts, as you can see, and you just want to find Twitch there. And here it says connected Twitch. You click on that, and you'll be able to link your Twitch directly to chess.com. You'll see in a moment right there. As you can see right there, it is now linked. If I scroll down, you can see that it is linked to Twitch. Now, keep in mind that you want to ensure that the same browser and the same email that you have for Twitch, you want to ensure that you sign in into that browser as well. So if I head over to my Twitch account, if I go to Twitch, you will see that in the same browser, I am already signed into Twitch. So it make it super easy for me to literally basically link both of them together because I'm already signed in. And so that's why you see the process very seamlessly and very smooth. So that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.